Hey, what's up, fellas? I wanted to show you guys a quick little trick here about goop glue that maybe some of you have never seen before. As I was tearing this little piece off, I wanted to show you the reversibility of this sealant or this glue. And basically what I do is to get a little nib of it with pliers and just rotate the pliers like this. You gotta, just getting it started is kind of a pain in the neck sometimes, but it's very hard to remove, which kind of shows you its sealing power. This device had sodium hydroxide pumping through it for about 5 years, but I'll try and demonstrate on this side, which I'm also going to remove. Basically what I'll do is get a little pinch of it somewhere. There's a spot right there. See how I'm pulling that little tendon out? You gotta find one of those. Even if it's small, you can grow it. There we go. Get something here. But you gotta get that spin in there on it, because that's how you get traction. Without the spin, you're nowhere. This is one of the things that I love about goop. It's one of the best sealants. Naming it Amazing Goop is not marketing. Okay, and I'm not trying to sell you this stuff. I'm not going to put no links in the description, though I do have videos with links. This one ain't getting one, because this is just sharing with you guys through my process of building things. You could send this stuff to space. I got a feeling. Actually, I don't know how it handles Sub-Zero. Probably not very well. Do not send goop to space. You got to buy the space version. This is plumbing. So there you have it, man. Just wanted to show you that little trick. Just get a little nib of it and start a rotation on it. Sometimes you need good needle nose pliers, which I do not own, because I use mine every day. And I'm a horrible cameraman. I'm like looking at the work. There you have it, removed. And I'm rolling down the road. That sealed a completely watertight seal for years and years and years of some very nasty stuff. Look at that piece of goop down there. That's at the bottom of a reservoir. And that stuff held up for years.